Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Welcome to episode 3 of Declutter the shit out of my life. You got a bit of fluff on you, just yeah, so episode 1 was some kitchen cupboards. Episode 2, which I've yet to film, but I've already said I'm going to do it, is the pantry, which I'm not looking forward to at all. So today I thought we would have a go in the smallest child's bedroom. Fox is nearly 3, and he has a lot of teddies, like a ridiculous amount, because the girls say, I don't want this teddy anymore, and he says, I want it, that's my best, and he'll take it. And he's got loads of teddies from when I was little, and he's got a lot of books in his bedroom that are far too babyish for him. So we're going to have a big clear out, and his clothes, because I'm sure his clothes are just stuff that half of it probably doesn't even fit him anymore, or he'll have loads of winter stuff that isn't going to fit him come winter. So yeah, if you like these kind of declutter, organise your life videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. I've got so many more plans. I am a self-proclaimed hoarder of shite, so I'm trying to declutter, minimise what we've got, and just streamline our lives and our house in general. Yeah, so let's jump in and I'll show you Fox's bedroom. Right, this is Fox's bedroom. It is a south-facing bedroom, and it is boiling today, which is why the curtains are shut, just because we don't want the heat to come in. So yeah, as I said, he has a lot of teddies that no matter what we do, we put them on here, and then he just throws them all on the floor again. So we're going to sort that. Loads of books. Up here is all the baby books. Like, none of it, he doesn't read any of these now. These are far too little for him. His drawers are just rammed. Half the stuff in there probably doesn't fit. More toys on the floor. And then this isn't his stuff. This is mine and Ben's extra crap and games and stuff, so we will do that as well if we have time. But firstly, I think what I'm going to do, make the bed, put all the teddies on the bed, and then reassess as to how many teddies we have. Right, so this is the teddies. I'm going to be brutal. Like, this was mine when I was little. I don't want it. This was mine when I was little. Who remembers a Chubble? Makes weird noises when it has a big square battery in the back, but it hasn't got one. This is one of Foxy's favourites. That is Freddy, I think. His name is Freddy or Eddie. Gunnosaurus will keep him. This is Aria's. This is going in the bin because it's just a McDonald's one. Enid, Foxy loves Dougie, if you didn't know. Dinosaur he can keep. Carrot he can keep. George Pig's going. Minions going. Dougie he loves. He doesn't really play with this. It's a Toy Story one. That was Aria's. She didn't want it. This was his first ever teddy that he chose and cuddled. This is called Teddy. And then this is Freddy. And that one's Eddie. I remember now. Shark we'll keep. Sally, I'm not sure. This is, I don't know if this is his or Mika's. It's a sloth. Mr Pickles. This is mine. He stole it. He loves him. Dougie will keep. This was the girls. I think I'm going to put this upstairs in a memory box. Ben has got this tattooed on his foot, with an M and an A on the hat. The tentacles are his toes. He needs to get something for Fox, but yeah, we'll put that upstairs in a memory box. Jessie will keep. This is Aria's. Fox chose this from Canada. It was so expensive. It's a Jellycat one, but it was his. He got some spending money to take, and this is what he chose. You can see it's filthy, and literally the day we got back, the dog ate one of the eyes off. That's what it's meant to look like. And then Ben's mum sewed a button on, so we'll keep that. That's just a crappy Tesco's one that can go. Our old next door neighbours gave us this not long after Fox was born, but again, no one plays with it. And that was given to Fox by our next door neighbour for his birthday, so we'll keep that. That is a bit of a cull, so These are all going in some capacity, whether it's in the loft, back to their sibling, or in the charity. Okay, my next job is going to be to organise what is on the floor, like put it into piles. The reason I'm not like filming me doing it is because I'm literally just wearing a bra and pants because it's freaking boiling, so I don't want to get demonetised. So yeah, I will show you as we organise. Right, we've organised. We've got clothes, clean nappies, his step. That is his little bag with biscuits in because he likes to have a biscuit before bed. So we just keep them up here. Colouring books, storybooks, his favourite book, also Aria's favourite book. A couple of games, which I think this is definitely going to go. This is absolutely crap. I bought this from a charity shop and it's brand new basically in the charity shop. And it's just rubbish.
Big.
What?
We're big.
We're big what?
We're big. That big?
You're big? Show me how big you are.
No.
What's your name?
Fox.
What else is your name?
Fox. Not gonna Enzo.
Fox, not Gunner, Enzo.
No.
You don't like your middle names?
No.
That's okay. So there's tool bench, board books, which we're going to go through and have a cull. A puzzle. This is just a box of random bits that I need to sort out. Here's your tools. Foxy, put your tools on your tool bench, please. Good boy.
I can bowl.
Fox. Mummy's trying to tidy. This is his Lego. The girls have got so much Lego, but he's got a little box of his own. A Sylvanian house, which is going, that I was going to get to paint, and a pirate ship. So, and an Aria! I opened the curtain because it wasn't too hot. So, we're now going to have a cull, and I will show you what we are getting rid of when we're done. So far, this is going. Move the Lego. Colouring books are up here. These are the books we're getting rid of. We're keeping all of his normal books, and then these are his hardback books. This one is one of his favourites, so we'll keep that, and it was Aria's favourite. This one is just a nice story. This was mine when I was little, and these ones are lovely books that one day I hope to give to either my brother or my sister-in-law if they have kids. So next up, we're going to do up here. This we're keeping my friend Rosie bought it for Fox when he was born. It's 2 little suitcases. This bear and this bear were from my nan to the kids, so they keep those. What's this? This we keep. This was Ben's granny's, but I think most of these board books are going to go because they just never come down and they're all quite babyish. This is a Dr. Seuss set. I think we'll keep. This was mine when I was little, and then this is a protection rune which we'll keep. So I will quickly do that shelf and I will show you what we're left with. So I've had a little bit of a rearrange. Ben's nan made this Fox years and years ago, before we had Fox. And then this is our old dog Tilly's collar. We kept the Dr. Seuss books, Foxy's butt cream, dummies for bedtime. Teddy, this is a drawing that Ari did for Fox of Hey Dougie. And then we've got the other one, a picture, and I'm going to just quickly have a look up there. Have a look. So that is going, we don't need that. We'll keep the picture. Ben's nan bought that. This was mine when I was little. He's not allowed to play with it unsupervised. I found another lizard. Lizard boy. And then this is the mat for his, yeah, that's the mat for his baby monitor, which will go. And then his white noise machine is going as well because we don't use it. And then that's a vaporizer, which we will keep for when they have colds. Right, that bit's done. I'm now going to go through his drawers because I don't, yeah, see they've not even got these top ones. I don't even think are, can I help you, sir?
What's that? I want it on.
No, you don't need a white noise machine anymore. You're a big boy. Do not climb that cupboard, Fox. That is why all of our cupboards are attached to the wall. I've just started on this drawer and we've got Fox's, well this was Mika's and Aria's before him, but it's their Arsenal bib. So look at this, I've just got an empty box. This is an extra coat for the Fox that Ben's nan made, and then his extra little hat. That was mine when I was little. This was mine that all the kids have had. It's like a musical bunny. This was from Fox's age blanket. That's just a hook. That is a skull thing that is going to go on the wall at some point in some house, wherever we are. And then I think I'm going to use this drawer to put some nappies in. Right, this one is now swimming stuff, and then his football shirts for I think for Christmas, either the year before or last year. I bought him and Ben matching Arsenal shirts. It's too big for him now, same as the shorts and the socks, but we'll keep them. And this is his actual sock drawer, but it's hilarious. Like, some of these are like newborn socks. They're so funny. Like, these fit him. I know they do because I only just bought them for him. But most of what is in there is too small, so I'm going to have a little bit of a sort out and a scrunchie. This is hilarious. All that we've got is 2 pairs of socks that fit him, one sock that fits him but on its own, and 1 glove. We do have an odd socks area in our house, so I'm going to go through that at some point and I will add to that. But it's summer, he doesn't need socks. Now I'm going to go through all these drawers, put everything into piles, and I will show you once I've organised what we are getting rid of and what we are keeping. So bottom drawer, I've got his onesie, his dungarees. Those ones do fit him, these ones are still fine. These are all his what are they, long sleeve tops and jumpers. And then I've got shorts. I kept 12 t-shirts and his leggings, Nike trousers. And then I kept 6 sets of pyjamas, and then there's 4 short sleeve vests there. Also found a few more of his socks along the way, so he's actually got like, only got like 4 pairs in there. And then I put his pants in here as well. These are like the memory box things. And his hoodies I'm going to hang in the cupboard, but we're going to go on to that in a minute. Right, his room is cold and tidy. The bookshelf is actually just, I'm literally tidying everywhere. This is our kids' bookshelf, so they will all be put on here eventually, but he likes to have them in his bedroom for night time. And the board books, I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. They need to be where he can reach them, so I don't know yet. But yeah,